So question 15, and the pie chart shows information about tickets sold by an airline on Monday and Saturday. So this is the graph of Monday and this is graph of Saturday, pie chart. So question is, find how many more economy class tickets were sold on Monday than Saturday. So we need to compare tickets sold of economy class of Monday and Saturday. So let's do one by one. So for Monday, we have this, you can see economy class, this is half of how many were they? 200. So on Monday we have half of 200, that is half times 200, so divide by this is 100. So we have 100 tickets here. So in this case here on Saturdays, so we are given this in degrees. So this 240 economy class, 240 is out of total, that is 360, and total number of tickets sold are given 120. So times 120. So when you simplify this, 0 and 0, divide by 8, or you can directly use calculator also. This is 240 times, let's try 240 times 120 equals, and then divided by 360. So answer is 80. So we have here 80 tickets, and here we have 100 tickets, here we have 80. So let's see the difference. So difference is 100 minus 80, that is 20. So our final answer will be 20. Question 16. The number of instruments played by 50 girls is shown in the table. In the first column we have number of instruments, in the second we have number of girls. So calculate the mean number of instruments played by these girls. As we have here the frequency table, so we need to multiply, like how many number of instruments, like there are 14 girls who play, number of instrument is 0, so 0 is for 14 frequency, so 0 times 14, sorry, this is 4, then this will be 1 times 19, then 2 times 11 is 22, and 3 times 6 is 18. So let's add them together. 19 plus 22 plus 18, 19 plus 22 plus 18, 59. 19, 22, 18. Yeah, this is 59. So mean is like 59 divided by, now how many they are in total, they are 50, divided by 50. So this will give us the value of mean. So 59 divided by 50, 1.18. So our mean is 1.18. Question 17, part A. The table shows the time it takes Chen and Aiko to type some words. This is Chen and Aiko's column. Number of words here, time taken, then typing speed, words per minute. So the first one for the Chen, it is 2020 per minute divided by 40. In 40 minutes he types 2020. So in 40 minutes how many? So divide 2020 by 40. You get 50.5. So approximately 50. So we can write down 50 here. Then 2 hours. Here the second one, 2 hours, 7,200 words in 2 hours and 30 minutes. 2 hours is 120, 60 plus 60 plus this 30. So in total it is 150. So that means Aiko actually types 7,200 words in 150 minutes. So let's see what is it. 7,200 divided by 150. So this is 48. So we have completed this table. Part B. Mia can type 45 words per minute. Work out how long will it take her to type 1,300 words. Give your answer to the nearest minutes. So we can write down here the words, then time taken in minutes. So 45 words can be typed in 1 minute. Here 45 words in 1 minute, and then we need to know 1,300 words in how many minutes. So just cross multiply. So x will be x times we can write in 45 times. X times 45 equals to 1,300 times 1 divide by 45 divide by 45. So let's simplify. 1,300 divided by 45, 28.8. So this is 28.8. Approximately we can write down 29 minutes. Question 18. A, B and C are numbers. A ratio B is 4:1. B ratio C equals to 3:2. Write down the number in the box to make the sentence correct. A is dash times the size of C. So that means we are going to compare A and C. So let's start here. We have from the first one A over B. In terms of fraction we can write down 4/1. So from here we can just simplify, cross multiply. A times 1 is A equals to 4B. So we got A equals to 4B here, and from the second one B over C equals to 3/2. Cross multiply. You're going to get here B equals to 3/2. The C will go here, 3/2 C. So we need it to compare A and C. So that means we are going to eliminate B. So from the first one, this equation, we have A equals to 4B. So we can substitute the value of B in terms of C. From here, B is 3/2 times C. So just simplify this. This will be 4 times 3, 12/2 C. So when you simplify, A equals to 6C. So A is 6 times C. So in the box we can write down 6. Question 19. Hassan wants to find out what type of hot drink people like best out of tea, coffee and hot chocolate. So we have 3 things here to compare. Design a table that Hassan could use as a data collection sheet to collect his information. So we can design a table that will compare these 3 drinks. So yeah, so here we can write down, you always know we write tally chart, then the frequency of what we have here, tea, then coffee and hot chocolate. Okay, so we can write, he can just tally here whenever he gets tea, then write down the tally marks here, then the frequency. So this is the design of the table that he can use. Question 20, Part A. Draw a ring around the inequality represented on number line. So we have this inequality. That means we need to see for the value of x. X is like, you can see this is bold circle here. So x equal to -4. So equal to -4, one is here, another one here. So this and this is not the option now. So we have these two options. So let's see another one. On the other side 2, this is a hollow circle. So this is not equal to 2. So we will not see, we are not expecting equal sign. So here you have equal sign. So this option is also gone. So we are left with only this option. So this is correct answer. Solve the inequality. Next part. Solve the inequality y over 6 greater than 1.5. So we need the value of y. So times 6 both sides. So this and this is gone. So y is greater than 9.0, or we can just write down y is greater than 9. Question 21. The diagram shows the floor plan of the stage at a theater. So this is the floor plan. The stage is made up of a rectangle and a semicircle. So this is the rectangular area and this is semicircle. The rectangle is 16 meters long and 5.5 meter. 16 and 5.5 dimensions are given. Work out the total area of the stage. So we need to add both these area of the rectangle and area of the semicircle. So area of rectangle, this is length times width. So that means 16 times 5.5. And then area of this semicircle, the formula is pi r squared. So as you see, this total length is 16, so half of this will be 8. So that means this is the radius of this semicircle. So pi r squared. So we can calculate area of semicircle. Area of semicircle, that is pi r squared. So pi times r is 8 squared. So we can use calculator. So this is pi times 8 times 8, 8 times 8. This is 201.06. But we have semicircle here, so we will divide this by 2. Divide this entire number by 2. So divided by 2. So we are getting here 100.53 meter squared. So this is area of the semicircle. Now area of rectangle. Area of rectangle, we have already done this. 16.5.5, when you calculate this will come out 88 meter squared. So we need now total area. So total area is 100.53 plus 88. You can put 0 here. So 3588, 188.53 meters squared. But the question says give your answer correct to two significant figures. So we need answer to correct to two significant. So these are the figures here. Digits that will be significant, 190. So final answer will be 190 meters squared. Question 22. A bottle contains 3.6 liters of water. Water drips out of the bottom of the bottle at rate of 20 milliliters per minute. Work out how long it takes for the bottle to empty. So as we can see, in 1 minute, we can use ratio here. In 1 minute, 20 milliliters of water can like drips out. So we need this, but this is in liters, so we can convert this into milliliters. So 3.6 times 1000, that will be milliliters. So this is 36000, 3 zeros, 1 decimal place. So we have 3600 milliliters. So now how much time it will take in minutes to drip out 3600 milliliters of water. So cross multiply. So x times 20 equals to 3600 times 1 divide by 20 divide by 20. So this is gone, this 0 is gone, 180. But this answer is in minutes. He said right answers in hours. So divide by 60. So this comes out to be 3 hours. Question 23. One solution of the equation x cubed minus 2x is 40 lies between 3 and 4. Use the method of trial and improvement to find the solution to 1 decimal place. Show all your working in the table. So we need answer in 1 decimal place. So solution is in between this. So we can take the values as 3.1. First, let's start. I will show you just one calculation, then you can continue with the others to save time. X cubed, that means 3.1 times 3.1 times 3.1 minus 2x, minus 2 times 3.1. So this is 23.591. 23.591. So we can see here this is 40. We need answer near to 40. So this is too small. So similarly, if you do the other calculation, so we can take little more value like let's say 4. When you calculate this, comes out to be 32.504. This is also too small. And then let's take 3.6, that is 30. It comes out to be 39.456. So this is bit near to 40. So then let's say 3.61. When you calculate, this will be 39.8258. This is again nearer to that. So 3.62, this comes out to be 40.1979. This is also nearer. And then we have 3.64. This comes out to be 40.94. This is this is big. So our answer is somewhere lying between these values. So nearest value from here is 3.6. So this one. So this will be our answer for this question. Question 24. The original selling price of a shirt was $45. On sale, the shirt is reduced to 32.50. Calculate the percentage reductions. First, we need to know how much is the reduction. Reduction is 45 minus 32.50. When you subtract it, this is $12.5. So reduction percentage. So reduction percentage is like reduction is 12 from 45 times we need to know out of 100. So when you calculate this comes out to be 27.77. You can use directly calculator to use that. Question 25. This table gives information about parliaments of New Zealand and of Spain in 2014. We have countries here, New Zealand and Spain, number of people in the parliament, number of men and number of women. Draw a ring around the country that has greater proportion of women in its parliament. So we need to just compare the women here. So in Spain, let's start with New Zealand. New Zealand, women is 39 out of 121. So total number of people and times 100. So when you calculate, this is 32.23%. And in Spain, so there are 126 women out of 350 times 100 to calculate the percentage, and this is 36%. So which one is greater out of this? The Spain. Number of women in Spain's parliament are greater than in New Zealand. Question 26. This chart shows the age of 100 people in 7 age groups. We have 7 age groups here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Find the age group that includes the median age. So median age, total number of people, ages are 100. So 100 divided by 2 is 50. So we need to write down like the median age, where will this lie. So the first one, 25 to 30, it is 20. Up to here this is 20. Then 30 to 35, this is 25. Then 35 to 40, 35 to 40, this is 10 here, and then so on. So we need to look for 50. So this is 45 plus this is 55. So 50 will lie here somewhere between 35 and 40. So our answer will be 35 to 40. Median age will lie in this age group.